But yeah, breakfast sorted. And a really nice view. The other two terminals feel dingy. It's not like Heathrow where every terminal feels.
We'll shortly be arriving at...
Yep, I'm going to get off here. Very much. Anyway, at Manchester Piccadilly. This train is about to turn into a ram fest. Because this is an inner city train going all the way to Glasgow. Very long service. Everyone and their luggage is off to Glasgow in the north. I'm going to a bit of Scotland. Okay, that was a nice ride though. 397, one of my favourite trains on the network. Yeah, Manchester Piccadilly. There were literal guards blocking there were literal inspectors blocking the platform. So when every train arrives, you are pretty much inspecting arrival. There's no barriers, it's just stop blocking the barriers. Right. So we're back at Piccadilly. I'm gonna go head up to Ashton on the Lyre. And with that, we're gonna need the Metrolink. Let's go. Sorry.
Moments later.
Here we go. Another massive wave of inspectors.
Yes.
Come on, any Islington.
No. I paid for a ticket. Come. We have to make sure that you feel okay. I'll show you.
This is entertaining.
All passengers that you will need a valid ticket, or else this vehicle is able to drive, and all passengers having a valid ticket, that includes you at that door. Thank you.
That was entertaining. Etihad campus and heading towards Ashton on the Lyre, where I'm then going to go get some IKEA. And this tram is packed. It's actually rammed on this thing. Well, I will see you at Ashton because this tram is rammed.
Eventually, you know, when going on the side from there, as it stands at the minute, not going anywhere again.
Right. Oh my luck! There's been a car crash at Ashton. Just my luck. So now, nothing is running beyond here because there's been a car crash. Wow, nice, my luck. Whoa, a lot just happened there. What just happened? Yeah, when I said see you at Ashton, unfortunately for me there was a road traffic collision up the road, effectively cancelling all trams running between Etihad campus and Ashton on the line. As you just saw by my reaction, I was not happy, and now I have to find the nearest stagecoach to continue onwards towards Ashton. Great. Alright, back to you, me of the past when I was in Manchester or whatever. Cheers, what's over me? Damn, he's doing a lot of work these days, and yeah, I'm not having to be on the bus for reasons I mentioned earlier. But we are going to get to Ashton at least. Getting back's going to be a pain in the right old neck. But, you know, that's what happens. This bus is rammed. It's even more rammed downstairs, but at least I got a seat to myself, which is good. And the fun as well, which is better. And I think we found the cause of the problem. I hope everyone's okay. Because of what I'm seeing here, it looks pretty nasty. Half the problem, there is a confoundable car down there. And it's literally just mangled, and it's just mangled. The tram's fine, but the car isn't. It's completely mangled, wrecked, and there's like 50 different mechanics stuff on scene. And everyone's getting this tram because there's no other way to Ashton now. At the very least, you can get there. Thanks, stagecoach. And I just saw the IKEA. We're getting close, very close. Another like 5 minutes and I will be there. And then the new question is, how am I going to get back? because the bus is back going to be cramped. The Metrolink's been suspended. Nothing's going that way. We'll figure that out in the next like half an hour. Ah, finally. And here we are, Ashton. God damn, I got screwed over back there. I mean, a lot more people have been screwed over, but still. So what next? IKEA, obviously. Damn. You want IKEA location unlocked? Let me get in here. Ooh. Let's go to the restaurant. Get something to eat. Again. Right. Here we are. IKEA. My place. Let's see if we can find that restaurant. I hope this doesn't send me on an entire tour around the entire shop. Because if it does, someone's dying. Now on to today's star of the show, IKEA. Actually, no, this isn't. There's a bigger surprise come up later. That was postponed from yesterday. But anyways, get some food. Because we love IKEA. Okay, here is the food. Yum, yum. This is some good food. I'm gonna eat this now. And then return back to central Manchester. And then probably go media city UK. Oh dear, getting back to been a nightmare and a half. And I don't know what's up with that. Oh god, that piece of furniture is worse than IKEA Wembley. Oh well, whatever floats your boat, I guess. I'm gonna eat and head back to Manchester.
1 hour later.
And not home, back to Manchester. Yes! The trams are back! Now I might actually want to see if I can grab that one, because otherwise, that's another 5 minute. That's a pretty long wait. Made the tram. So now we're going to do it to Media City, UK. Been about 10 minutes and this tram, no one's even in the driver's cab. It's not moving anyway. So I've got two options now. Well, three. I can either sit in a nervous and wait for this tram to leave, or get a bus, or hope another tram is going to turn up that actually is going onwards. Another tram's coming. And it says S's on it. So this tram's just going to inevitably sit here. So everyone on that tram's going to see this one and just book it and leg it off. And it's going to be rammed. It's not even a double, so it's just a single, so it's going to be rammed. Fun. Our next tram has arrived and it's going to be rammed. Tram has been held up for like 30 minutes, so I'm not surprised it's going to be rammed. Come on, tram, please move. I want to get back to Manchester before the rush can begin. Oh, here we go.
Will be Ashton West. This is a service to Eccles. The next stop will be Ashton West.
Oh. I think we're finally about to move.
A few moments later.
Finally. We are finally leaving Ashton. So now I'm either going to head back to central Manchester, or up to, what's the name? Oh yeah, Man City Stadium. Yep, ram tram, absolute rammed. Every stop on the way in is literally just packed. And it's probably going to remain that way until Etihad campus, when Netherlands joins the fun. Alright, we're just going to wait. Stop, tram and car have been moved. Oh, good sign. That's okay.
I get it, but like at that time I was thinking.
Should now be able to get back to the Etihad campus. And then get off the tram because it's rammed. Ooh, finally back at Velopark. There is a pack of inspectors here. At least on the other platform. That's for us. There's no inspectors, but it's just the platform's rammed. Absolute rammed.
This is a service to Eccles. The next stop will be Etihad campus.
Finally, Etihad campus. Thanks. Flip them off that thing. That is round. Like proper round. I don't think I've seen anything more chaotic than this. Back here, Man City Stadium. And here we are. This thing is massive. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get in there, but it's still big as hell. Jeez. Now I might want to head to Old Trafford before it gets dark. But until then, I'm gonna probably go get back on the tram and into Central. And it's a cool walk. And I think this is the co-op stadium that's being built. I'm not getting that because the next tram's due in a minute. But yeah, very cool. Well, in that case, next tram's in flip's sake. The next tram's due in a minute, so I'm gonna hurry up and get back on it.
More moments later.
Need it. Time to go see Centre. Now switch trams. We're going back to Wolfside to go to Old Trafford. Then we're going to go to the Trafford Centre itself. There goes my tram. I'm going to go back to the Man City Stadium before it gets dark. I'm a liar. I still be back here during the day, not as it's about to get dark. What I'm gonna say is, you have to blame the flipping UK skies for getting dark so quickly. Alright, that's done. I'm gonna head on back to the tram stop where I'm gonna go to the Trafford Centre. So it's straight back to action when we get the next tram towards the Trafford Centre, finally. And it's still 5 minutes to go. Oh well. Right, let's wait. Almost dropped my phone for crying out loud. And Trafford Centre. Let's tap out of this thing. Oh. Right, let's go to the Trafford Centre. Flippin' hell! This place is huge! Well, that's a massive place, that's for sure. It's probably going to be even better on the inside. Well, I'm about to figure that out, so stay tuned. Whoa! That's what I'm going to say. Whoa! This isn't the main Trafford Centre in Manchester. There's another one in the middle centre which I haven't visited yet. I'll probably do that immediately after I'm done here, but this is the Trafford Centre. And it's massive. Very posh, very old-fashioned. This is going to be interesting to explore. So that is the biggest food court I've seen. That's bigger than Westfield Stratford. Jesus Christ. Okay, I bought this thing. Cookie dough. Ooh. I'm going to actually have to find a spot so I can eat this. Okay, I'm ordering more time, but yeah, you know what. Worth it. Whatever that is delicious. Well, cookie dough, this is absolutely delicious. I'm sorry. It's just delicious.
One eternity later.
Damn, this is a big place. And it's now fully dark outside. It gets dark quicker in the UK anyways. Just wait until summer. In any case, I've actually ended up cancelling the buffet reservation. Simply because I've now got a better idea. Not only was fancier, but still not that bad. I'm gonna go to the other shopping centre just next door, Tiverton Central. And it's the other shopping centre just next door, which is even crazier. But I thought this would be some vintage, abandoned, stupid place. No, it's flipping huge. What? Who gave Trafford the right to vibe this much? It's time to head back to Central. It has come to an end. And annoyingly, while I was over that bridge just like 5 minutes ago, a tram left. As we all know, frequencies here aren't the best. So who knows when the next one's going to turn up. Well, we'll wait. Now I'm gonna try C next up to go to Media City, UK, even though it's dark outside. And yet another absolutely ram tram. And this one doesn't even call me to the UK. So how I'm going to get there, I don't know. Welcome to Harbour City, which I'm 100% sure is the it's the Canary Wharf of Manchester. Look at all these tall buildings. I've come and doing the nights. I've come and doing a pretty awful time. Well, the next tram's like another 8 minutes, so that's fine. Waiting game. Right, here's my tricks tram to Media City, UK. Finally, it's a single. Balls. I'm not waiting another 20 minutes. That's crashing.
This is a service to Media City, UK.
To go. Almost there. And here we are at Media City, UK. This looks like a very interesting Oh, God. Yeah, something about this does not look great. Oh, this is an interesting bus. Very nice, high tech. Now, which was it, a 331 or 195? 331. Oh.